my beautiful people, and welcome to yet another edition of Skin RX 101. Welcome to class. I remain Niftywell, your pharmacist skincare guide. If you have been following this series by now, you understand your skin structure and you know your skin type. So today we are going to go a little further into understanding the basics of skincare routine. If you are just starting out on skincare, these are the 3 basics of skincare routine, also known as the 3 golden principles of skincare. 1 is cleanse, 2 is moisturize, and 3 is protect. So a proper skincare should include cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Cleansing is the process that removes dirt, oil, sweat, and makeup from your skin, because these things can clog your skin pores. We are going to dig deeper into cleansing, like cleansers for the different skin types that we have. What do we mean by double cleansing? How often should you clean your face? And the do's and don'ts while cleansing. But it is not going to be in today's class. This is a part where you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our classes, especially when we are posting these videos. After cleansing, the next step in your skincare should be to moisturize. This is where moisturizers come in. Moisturizers lock in hydration, they protect skin barrier, and they keep your skin smooth. Every skin type needs to be moisturized, including oily skin. The final step is sun protection. That is the ultimate anti-aging and skin protecting step. SPF protects your skin from sunburn, wrinkles, dark spots, and even skin cancer. No matter your skin complexion, sun protection is non-negotiable. I repeat, sun protection is non-negotiable. And I would also love to inform you that if you do not use sun protection, the other skincare steps that you took will not give you the best results. Hope that is understood. Usually for many people, these 3 steps are enough. You cleanse, you moisturize, and you protect. Sometimes less is more. Okay, so keep your skincare simple, especially if you are starting out. Start with these 3, and then when your skin improves, you can decide to introduce others like serum. So this is the end of our class. We just summarized important steps that you should take for your skincare routine. For our next class, we are going to consider cleansers, and we are going to look at what type of cleansers for which type of skin. So bye, and I'll see you in our next class.